Ang atin pong tatalakayin sa hapong ito ay tungkol po sa root canal and teeth. So, alam niyo ho ba na kada isang tooth or isang ipin ay may corresponding organ sa ating katawan at may corresponding emotion din po. So, sa conventional medicine ho, hindi yan alam. But in traditional Chinese medicine, alam po yan. So, meaning, kaya wag kayong pabunot ng pabunot, no? Kada isang ipin ho na bubunutin sa inyo ay may hihinang organ sa katawan ninyo kung alin ho ang corresponding organ at emotion para ho doon sa part na yun, no? Ang root canal naman ho, actually 100% ng root canal are contaminated. Wala hong hindi. Ano nyo ho alam kung contaminated ang root canal nyo? Kasi ho, sa labas din nyo naman makikita dahil sa labas pero sa loob ho, nag-discolor na pala siya. At minsan meron ng leak. So, sign na yung teeth and root canal are still healthy. Wala hong persistent pain. So, walang pain, walang sensitivity. Hindi kayo nangingilo sa hot and cold or sweet foods. Yung gums niyo ho, pink pa and not swollen or bleeding. Yung teeth feel stable and strong when chewing. So may lakas ho pag kumagat kayo. Walang visible holes, dark spots or crack in the teeth. Wala din hong bad breath or foul taste in the mouth. Walang swelling or pimples or abscess on the gums near a tooth. Yung mga sinyales naman ho, na ang root canal ninyo ay may problema, meron ho kayong persistent or throbbing toothache. And may pain ho kayo when biting or chewing. And may swelling or tenderness in nearby organs. May tooth discoloration ho kayo, gray or darkened tooth. May pimple-like bump ho kayo on the gums. It may indicate infection and sensitivity. Ayan, may ngilo ho kayo sa hot and cold foods or drinks, no? Ang root canal ho is a dental procedure that is used to treat infection or damage inside a tooth. Ang root canal ho involves removing the infected or damaged pulp inside the tooth and cleaning and disinfecting the root canal, filling and sealing the tooth to prevent future infection. But ngayon po, kahit na walang sira ang tooth ninyo or teeth, niru-root canal ho kasi pag maglalagay ng jacket, no? Halimbawa, sungki ang ipin ninyo, para pumantay, maglalagay ng jacket, niru-root canal ho yung pinaka-ipin, nakakapitan ng root canal nyo para ho sa papatay ng nerves and blood vessel, para hindi ho siya sasakit pag nakalagay na ho yung jacket nyo, no? Ang mga sign naman ho na kailangan nyo ng root canal, pagka may severe lingering tooth pain, especially pag ngumunguya kayo, at sensitivity to hot and cold na hindi ho nawawala, may swollen or tender gums near the tooth, may darkened or discolored tooth, may pimple or bump on the gums, and deep decay or crack, chipped tooth. So may malalim hong crack or chipped tooth. Paano ho malalaman kung yung ginawang root canal sa inyo is okay? Yung pain ho returns weeks or months later. Ang swelling or pus formation, ayan, makakakita ho kayo ng swelling or pus formation near the tooth. At yung crown ho feels loose or damaged. Maluwag ho yung crown. And the tooth feels different or high in the bite. Ang root canal ho is also called endodontic therapy. Isa ho itong procedure to save the tooth and is badly decayed, infected, or injured. So pag may sira po, tatanggalin yung damaged part Tapos papalitan ng ng jacket, no? Especially pag naabot na ho yung pulp, yung inner soft tissue, nandoon ho ang nerves and blood vessels. So, sasakit na ho kasi yun, kaya papatayin ho yung nerves and blood vessel. But ang problema ho doon, dahilan nga ho sa pinatay ang nerves and blood vessel, kahit na ho may sira na yung loob, hindi nyo ho makikita. Kumakalat na pala yung infection to other parts of the body like the nose, no? And other parts. Papunta na hong brain, wala ho kayong alam kasi wala na hong pakiramdam yung root canal na area. And if untreated, yung infection ho, yung nga sabi natin, can spread to the surrounding tissues. Pwede hong mag-lead sa abscess, pwede hong bone loss, or even systemic infection. Sa root canal ho, ina-x-ray ho yung ipin, ilalagyan ng anesthesia, and ina-access ho yung opening. Small hole is drilled. Iti-drill ho yan ng maliit na butas to reach the pulp, and yung cleaning, infected pulp is removed. Yung mga canals are clean and shaped. Disinfection, canals are disinfected to kill bacteria, and lalagyan ho yan ng filling, rubber-like material ang nilalagay, and sinisil ho yan. The opening is sealed with a temporary or permanent filling. Crown placement is often needed. Ang crown ho is placed later to restore full strength and prevent fracture. Complication ho to watch for. Pagka meron ho kayong pain lasting for more than a week, may swelling or pus, may broken crown or filling, may sensitivity ho kayo to bite pressure. If any of this happen, it might mean that there is a hidden canal was missed. Infection wasn't fully cleared. The tooth has cracked, and retreatment or surgery like apicoectomy may be needed. So, kumuha ho kayo ng ballpen at papel, ilista niyo ho itong mga sasabihin ko. So, yung wisdom tooth po natin or third molar, ang associated organ po dyan na maaapektuhan is the heart, the small intestine, circulation, and endocrine system. Yung atin ho, second molar, yung sa bagang ho, lungs and large intestine. Sa first molar ho, stomach, pancreas, and spleen. Sa second premolar, colon and lungs. And sa first premolar, large intestine and lungs. Sa canine ho, or yung pangil ninyo, liver and gallbladder ho yan, no? And bladder, reproductive organs, and yung central incisor, yung pinakagitnahong dalawa, no? Kidney, bladder, spine, urogenital system. Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? So example ho, meron kayong chronic lung infection. So, i-check nyo ho ang inyong second molar and premolar. Pag may ovarian or prostate issue kayo, i-check nyo ho for problem ang central and lateral incisor ninyo. Pag may heart palpitation ho kayo or endocrine issues, check nyo ho ang wisdom tooth ninyo. And digestive issues, check nyo ho ang first molar and premolars. It may show crack, filling, or root canal. At may mga supporting system ho tayo sa oral cavity like the trigeminal nerve, nagsusupply ho ito ng sensation to the face and teeth, nag-o-overlap ho with many reflex points. Important insights about the tooth-organ connection na kadalasan hong na-overlook ng mga tao or sadyang hindi ho talaga alam. Kasi sa TCM ho ito, no, traditional Chinese medicine. Sa conventional ho, hindi ito pinapansin at hindi itinuturo. Pero may katotohanan po kasi ito, no? So, ang root canal teeth, pwede hong mag-appear kasing healthy on x-ray but could still harbor anaerobic bacteria deep in the dental tubules. And these bacteria, pwede hong mag-release ng toxin that affects the organ system na konektado ho sa ipin. And conditions so like chronic fatigue, sinusitis, or autoimmune diseases have been linked in some cases. At yung mga cavitation, after tooth extraction, after ho kayong bunutan, especially wisdom tooth, may incomplete healing ho yan that can lead to jawbone necrosis or cavitation. At itong area hong ito may silently affect the organ connected to the missing tooth. For example, wisdom tooth cavitation may correlate with cardiovascular or endocrine dysfunction. So akalain nyo ho, pinatanggal nyo yung wisdom tooth ninyo, apektado ho pala yung cardiovascular, puso at endocrine function. Now, even emotion, hindi lang ho organ, are connected to our teeth. Emotions that is stored in teeth. So, yung canine or yung pangil ho natin, ang organ is liver, gallbladder. What specific emotion is affected? Anger and frustration. No? Kapag ka binunot ho yan or may sira ho yan. Incisor, which is kidney and bladder. What specific emotion? Fear. Survival. Molars, so sa stomach, pancreas, spleen. What specific emotion? Worry and overthinking. Premolar, lungs and large intestine ng organ, grief and sadness. Now, chronic emotional stress may weaken the tooth organ system, and dental trauma could reawaken emotional memory. Now, metal filling energetic and energetic interference. Amalgam filling contains mercury, 50%, that can leach into the body, especially when combined with EMFs or other metals like gold crown. They may also interfere with energy flow in the related meridians. So, noon ho, naglalagay pa niya mga dentista. Ngayon po, hindi na. Kasi may mga bagong pag-aaral na ang mercury vapor ho, still nahihinga, nalalanghap, at naglilich sa ibang part ng ating katawan. But ang pinakamalapit ho, di ba, is our brain. So, karamihan ho ng nalagyan na ng silver amalgam filling, nagkaroon ho ng poor memory. If they will try to compare the sharpness of their memory nung wala pa silang pastang silver, malaki ho talaga ang deteriorate. At ang mga recurring problems in lower incisor, yung sa babaho, no, may signal detox strain in the kidneys and bladder. And yung mga bagang ho natin, molar issues, may relate to gut microbiome imbalance. Yung balanse ho ng good and bad bacteria. Take note ho, ang ating wisdom teeth or tooth area, pagka improperly healed ho yan, they may block neuro-lymphatic drainage, affecting the heart, the hormones, or the brain. Kaya hindi ho basta-basta ganun lang. Ang left side ho ng ating teeth, meaning feminine, emotional, internal. Ang right side naman ho, masculine action, external. So a cavity on your left upper canine may reflect emotional anger or frustration, and on the right side, it might relate to conflict with authority or outward expression. Okay, so kaya nga ho, as much as possible, we are trying to save our tooth and teeth. Kung kaya pa hong pastahan, pinapastahan, at wag ho bunot ng bunot. Kasi nga ho, may kada ipin, may katapat ho siyang specific organ, and hindi lang ho specific organ. May emotion pa hong affected. And hindi ho maganda yung oral cavity ninyo na bakante ho. Walang katapat. Halimbawa ho, yung premolar ninyo, meron sa itaas, wala sa baba. Sa kabila naman ho, meron sa itaas, wala ho sa baba. No? So, later on ho, magpo-produce yan ng imbalance, magkakaroon ho kayo ng TMJ, problema sa temporomandibular joint, then later on ho, maaapektuhan ho yung inyong cervical area. Yung dito ho, yung spine natin sa likuran ng leeg. So, kaya karamihan ng may cervical spondylosis ay may TMJ problem. Pag chinek nyo ho ang ipin, may mga hollow space ho sila na walang katapat yung ipin. Ayan. So, siguro itong topic natin ngayon, ngayon nyo lamang narinig, no? So, abangan nyo ho ito sa YouTube at sa Facebook kung hindi nyo ho nakuha lahat. And isa ho sa text ng ating televiewers and listener, as pinainom niya ho ng kaunti yung anak niyang nagsisissure ng ating coffee, simula daw ho nung pinainom niya ng kaunti ay hindi na ho sinumpong ng seizure. So ang seizure ho, the root cause is eggs of parasite in the brain. So meaning, isa ho sa ating natural ingredients ay meron hong anti-parasitic effect. That is why. And that is how good our coffee is.
And